This in apartment, there is ready-made pod. These are ready-made pods installed before block work. One movement joint above door, it will avoid that cracks. This vanity mirror, vanity top, MEP services. This is one type. Total 44 types of pods we have installed. This is another bedroom and ready-made pod. Shower area, glass partition, sloping floor, door stopper, rope hook, towel handle, cistern area, spray, tissue holder, threshold, tiles, sealant, metal strip, drain, false ceiling, cove area, lights, drop lights. Important is access panel very near to heater. Shaver point, third pod with bathtub. Actually bathtub there is one access panel, so see this temporary grouting it has been done. This system, toilet pot, drain, door stopper, skirting, this metal strip, actually instead of molding tiles they provided metal strip, SS metal strip. See, so it will protect that corner also and ID work also. Wall cladding, mirror,